Gutter Wizard's no-clog gutter cover system is the best system on the market, protecting gutters from falling leaves, needles, and debris. There is no better gutter cover system on the market, and its best feature is that you can make it yourself.
Hi, I'm Paul Zolnick, and I'm the creator of the Gutter Wizard no-clog gutter cover system. Years ago, I made a personal choice. I was determined to develop a unique gutter cover that was within the budget of any gutter contractor or entrepreneur that wanted to get into this business. While watching this video, you will start to understand a theme. It is about choices. We all have to make choices in our lives every day and every minute. Good or bad, these choices affect our lives. Not only do they affect our lives, they affect the lives of our family, friends, community, and employers' lives. Today you are taking the first steps of a new career path that will be very profitable for you and your family.
Gutter Wizard's Make Your Own Cover System is about choices. You choose what thickness of gutter material you want to make the cover from: aluminum, steel, or copper coil. A good rule of thumb is if you can run it through a gutter machine, it will run through the Gutter Wizard's radius arm bender. With Gutter Wizard's no-clog system, water cascades off the roof, travels down the cover, and is pulled in around the nose of the cover into the gutter. Notice where the cover attaches to the bracket. This is called the water break. It breaks the water off the cover at just the right moment to create an agitation and swirling effect. This creates a vortex that moves the water and minute debris to the downspout in a hurry, creating the only self-flushing gutter cover system on the market today. Gutter Wizards gives you choices. Our system offers 15 different bracket choices for just about any hanging situation. It's about offering your customer a uniform, consistent half-inch opening. The cover is supported by brackets with a time-proven design called X-Bridge construction. Gutter Wizard's material of choice is polynylon for our brackets. This material has been proven to support the gutter covers without any deformation in Michigan's extreme winters over the last 12 years. No other cover manufacturer can make that claim. It's About Choices installation and training video has been produced to help you install the Gutter Wizard's no-clog gutter cover system accurately and efficiently. Gutter Wizards and its 90 dealers have perfected this system for hanging the gutter and cover in the fastest and most productive way possible, to give the homeowner the best looking and best performing no-clog system available.
Please remember, this bracket was designed for this specific method of installation. Any deviation from this method will result in a poorly hung, non-functioning system. I guarantee it. These installation steps were developed over many years to increase your productivity and profitability. There's no need to reinvent the wheel to try to create something faster and better. Believe me, it's been tried.
No-clog covers can be fabricated a number of different ways depending on the size of your operation and the speed and efficiency with which you want to make the covers. It's about choices. With Gutter Wizard's equipment, you can choose to make a gutter cover to match any customer request. You can create a nose forward design, a flush nose design, or make the nose recessed. You can create gutter covers which are roof mounted or fascia mounted. You can manufacture yourself smooth covers or ribbed covers or perforated covers. And any of these can be made from any thickness of the metal material you desire. Gutter Wizards offers a manual gutter cover production system. This manual system consists of the hand crank slitter ribber, 90-degree aluminum jigged brake, and the radius arm bender that will speed production of no-clog covers for 5-inch, 6-inch, and larger metal gutter no-clog projects. The manual system is a one-person operation, and it involves no measuring once the system is set up for the gutter size of choice. You simply put your typical gutter coil material into the combo spool and load it onto the uprights of the rack. Feed the gutter coil material into the manual slitter ribber and turn the crank. Slit the material to the correct width. You can make a smooth cover or up to 2 ribs. The material will automatically run through the guillotine onto the run-out table to the bump stop. Cut the metal to the correct 10-foot length. Feed these 10-foot panels into the 90-degree aluminum jigged brake. It is set up to bend the half-inch edges to a perfect 90 degrees, assuring uniformity. The radius arm bender will finish bending the nose of the cover. You can then conveniently stack the cover onto the bender's rack system. If your operation calls for a faster no-clog gutter cover production, Gutter Wizards offers a semi-automatic electric-powered roll-forming system called the Flipper. It can generate covers at the rate of 600 feet per hour. The flipper can slit the cover to the correct width and bend the top and bottom lip edges to a perfect 90 degrees at high production speeds. If your customer desires ribs on the cover to slow down the water flow, the flipper can create those along with the slitting and bending operation on the same pass. The machine also has the option to create set perforations called clear water drops on the cover, which will allow some rainwater to pass into the gutter more directly. If your customer wants a complete seamless gutter cover in a cost-effective price range, Gutter Wizards offers the Gator Grader. This 8-foot machine can be used for either shop production or can be transported easily to the job site. The Gator Grader can make a seamless cover with many possible variations, including covers with rows of gator teeth from 2 to 6 teeth at a time, all at an affordable price. Producing gutter trough with a single-size gutter machine limits the jobs you can bid on. Gutter Wizards Incorporated manufactures to order double quad combo gutter forming machines, which can produce 8 different trough sizes with one machine. The double quad combo can produce 5-inch, 6-inch, 5.5-inch, or 6.5-inch for both regular and high-back gutter applications. You will never have to walk away from a potential gutter client again because you did not have the right size for their project. The productivity of your installations can be greatly improved with the addition of a crane, which can be added to Gutter Wizards rack construction. Adding this crane eliminates the potentially hazardous manual loading of the 400 to 500 pound coils. These racks have room for up to 5 spools. Load the replacement spools with the size used the most on the end. Use the other spools for other colors and sizes. Remember, with additional spools, crews can accomplish multiple jobs in a day without ever having to go back to the shop for material. Organize your trailer for easy access to boxes containing downspouts and for different size A and B elbows, box and strip miters and end caps. We also made room for our UDUs, underground dispersal units, drain guard protectors, and different brackets used on the job. The equipment we've shown you produces your panels, and trailer organization helps you get ready to be productive on the job. Now take a look at how to install gutter and the no-clog gutter cover. The first step in installing the no-clog cover system is to measure the roof for the exact dimensions of the trough and cover sections. Remember to allow for overhang on each edge. Set run-out stands 15 feet apart and connect the gutter machine to a power source, either to a house outlet or a generator. It's always good for the rollers to travel with coil in the machine. When you're ready, start the gutter trough machine. As you start the gutter machine, be sure to check that the gutter is being formed correctly. Run the gutter to the desired length. Use run-out stands and make sure the gutter is supported properly to prevent bends or buckles from occurring. While making the gutter, watch for any bends. If bends occur, move the run-out stands closer together. Create the longest piece on the house first. If you have problems where this piece becomes damaged, it can be cut down for a shorter length on the project. When you've produced the length of the gutter you need, make a straight cut. Make sure you've allowed 1 to 2 inches extra in length for overhang on both ends. Mark placements for the brackets. Placement of the brackets should be no more than 24 inches apart on center. If the installation is in an area where heavy snow and ice is expected, shorten the distance between brackets for increased strength. Make sure there's a bracket placed near each end cap for support of the cover when it's installed. Attach end caps and crimp the edges to prevent leaks. Seal the inside corners of the end cap. Make sure the sealant is pressed completely into the corners. To make the installation easy once you are up on ladders, set your tap screws for fascia mounting while the trough is on the run-out stands. On this job, we'll demonstrate the use of a level to determine the fall of the gutter. The bubble level should be even with the top line to ensure proper fall. The use of chalk lines to determine the fall of the gutter trough may also be used. See the training manual for the illustration of this method for regular back gutters. On this job, which was a high back gutter application of roughly 40 feet, we wanted to have minimum drop of 1/2 inch over the 40 feet of gutter and gutter cover. The contractor measured this fall during the construction of the 3 parts of the porch gutter and gutter cover to ensure proper fall. Carefully carry the trough to its position and set the top edge of the trough. Screw in the tap screws into the fascia. With the tap screws set to the fascia, check the drop of your trough and make any adjustments as necessary. Once the gutter trough is in place, you can now carry up a section of the cover. Place the top lip of the cover under the drip edge and screw the top lip of the cover to the fascia. Screw in the bottom lip of the cover to the bracket. Continue screwing into the top and bottom lip edges to secure the first section of the cover. When you're done with the first section, place the second section of the cover. There are 2 methods for overlapping sections. One method overlaps the second to the first, and the second shown here uses a short 1-foot piece underneath both sections of the cover. In both cases, overlap the joint between the 2 sections and use 1 screw to attach the lower lip of both sections to the bracket. Move the bracket if necessary to accomplish this. Use 1 screw to attach the top lip of both sections to the fascia. Complete the attachment of the additional cover sections. If you have an inside corner joint of the gutter cover, trim each end to form a 45-degree angle and screw one of the pieces of the overlap to the other. Most inside corner gutter cover applications will require the addition of a ram dam to funnel heavy water flows through the trough. See the training manual for construction steps. If you have an outside corner joint of the gutter cover, cut one end to form a 35-degree angle and the other to form a 45-degree angle. This will form what is called a fake miter. The sharper angled piece will fit under the other and will give the appearance of a 90-degree miter. Overlap them and screw one to the other. Check to make sure that you have an even separation distance between the cover and the gutter trough. Make adjustments as necessary. Fabricate an end cap for both ends of the gutter cover. You can make them easily out of scrap pieces. You're now ready to prepare the trough for the downspout. Make an orange peel opening in the trough equal in size to the size of the downspout. Here we have made a 3 by 4 inch hole to accommodate the downspout. Measure the distance for the cross member that will be joined to 2 elbows. Cut the cross member piece. Screw the elbow to the orange peel tabs. The creation of the orange peel tabs may take more time than using a drain cup, but drain cups reduce the downspout flow area. The cross member and the remaining elbow and downspout section and the straps can now be attached. Notice how the finished downspout lines up perfectly with the side of the house. Notice also the overhang of both cover and gutter trough. The finished Gutter Wizards Incorporated no-clog gutter cover system will last a long time, and homeowners will never have to worry about cleaning debris from their gutters. With Gutter Wizards equipment, you can choose to make a gutter cover to match any customer request from any thickness of the metal material you desire, all at an affordable price. Gutter Wizards no-clog gutter cover system is the best system on the market, and its best feature is that you can make it yourself. Remember, it's about choices.